Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to get a free legendary in Call of Duty Mobile. Well, to do that, make sure your Call of Duty Mobile account is linked to an official Call of Duty account. This is important for joining the event. If your account is already linked to Facebook, Apple, or Google Play Store, just add the COD account too. Once you're all linked up, log in to your Call of Duty Mobile using your Call of Duty account details. This helps you keep track of your progress in the event and make sure you get your rewards. Now, play 5 multiplayer matches. This is way easier than before when getting legendary stuff felt like a big job. Jump into the multiplayer matches and show off your skills. Whether you like team deathmatch, domination, or hardpoint, there's something for everyone. Play with friends or go solo. It's up to you. Then keep an eye on your progress after easy match. You'll see yourself getting closer to finish the event with every game. And with just 5 matches to go, you'll be done in a jiffy. But it's not just about skin. Taking part in the event lets you unlock cool stuff and bring everyone in the Call of Duty Mobile community together. Whether you're in a new or a pro, events like these are for everyone. Once you finish your 5th match, congratulations! You've completed the event and earned yourself that awesome skin. Equip it proudly and show it off in your future battles. It's a sign of your skill. This event makes getting a legendary skin in Call of Duty super easy. Just link the account, log in, and play 5 multiplayer matches. And enjoy the rewards and join in the fun with the Call of Duty mobile community. And that's how to get free legendary in Call of Duty Mobile. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.